on our way up to Kapatagan. Going up, up, up. See some people in front of us. Where's Kapatagan?
This is Kapatagan.
I mean, what's that? The
Mount
mountain. Apo, yeah.
No, you
See
can't see it from here.
Okay. We'll see Apo later. I'll try to get a view, but going up. So many resorts being developed here.
That's Capa de Leon. Look at the Capa de Leon there. It's so big. That's endemic here. There is Mount Apo to your left.
Okay. See. Some more, just shooting what I can on the road. Some more buildings.
There's a bus
Even
now.
a bus. Wow.
Davao del Sur. Coming here.
So this is high up on the mountain. The weather here is cooler, like Baguio, right?
Yeah.
Like Baguio.
Totally. Maybe even cooler.
See, we don't even have the AC running.
There.
Oh wow, that's Apo right there. Oops, behind the trees.
Weather is nice, like California weather. Southern California weather.
Have to be careful, a blind turn. Don't want to overtake, because you never know. Meanwhile, the wifey is driving.
You forgot the word beautiful though. See Mount Apo there?
It's Mount Apo.
That's huge.
Winding roads.
I mean, it used to be nuts. And then this is also where the landslide is. And track C, it now has a river. It doesn't have a river before.
It's like a landslide here.
And after that, that's where you see wine woods. See this house? And this is like a bed and breakfast. So that one. So I'm surprised, not much people today, but maybe later on.
It's a Saturday. They're at home watching cartoons. So Winewoods is coming up.
When they closed down Samang, a lot of people came here. Widening the road. Wow.
The wifey is driving me, my driver.
It's another. This is owned by Merce. This one.
Oh, this one? Oh, they're still constructing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Merce is really.
This one. But vacation. Ayan, the Mount Apo. Look.
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. Denius, that was a new resort. This is a Denius my God. So we are now close to. I was wondering. Oh, that was a new resort then. That was new. So this is Daniels, and so right there.
Mount Apple, wow. And this is Winewoods now?
Yeah, this one we see.
Wow.
So many people.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
So many visitors, and they're lining up just for this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just for the entrance.
Oh my God. Okay, we need to do that.
So that's one. See this
Going
with the
up?
horse? Yeah.
Oh,
This one. That's the lot.
it's steep. That's our lot, huh?
It's not
all
so
the
steep.
way.
It's wrong.
Oh,
This one is 300. This one is steep. You know, that's another choice of ours.
Over
But
here?
it's more steep.
yeah, that's more steep. I don't want it too steep.
Yeah, that is just right.
Yeah.
Not
So
flat
where are we headed now?
to the barangay hall.
Barangay Hall. That's where our meeting is.
So that's Mount Apple.
Wow, look at that view of Mount Apple. Amazing. Oops.
Mount Apple.
Amazing. So clear. Oop, oop. Line turn, huh? Be careful.
I should put signals like
Yeah. Mirrors or something. That looks so nice, the mountain. Wow. Wow. You can go. This is another resort or something?
No, we're stopping here. This is where we're going to have our meeting. No, this is not resort. This is just family residence.
Oh,
See?
that's our family residence?
Yeah. Multi-family, but maybe they'll turn that into a resort.
Oh. That one like a A-frame?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go stop over here. That's it. Okay, Hans.
Okay.
Over here.
Yeah.
Put that. So we have forest, see? See, it's surrounded by forest.
Mm-hmm.
And there was wild pigs.
So
over
the end of our land is that forest line?
No.
There? Oh, no.
You see that kind of shrubs that's being
I
cultivated?
see some fence, like fencing.
Yeah, that's where it is.
The end.
Yeah,
The end, and then up to the road.
yeah.
And then it goes up to
Now this one is Ates already.
the side with the
Yeah.
road.
Yeah.
Like this.
And then ours ends in that banana. See that banana?
Mm.
So half that fence, you divide it into one half. Half is ours, half is theirs.
What do you mean there's ate?
Ate Sancha.
Oh, but how about the group?
There, the half. We own half.
Half, and ate owns the other half?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, see, it's foggy now.
Mhm.
See? We better get going because it might rain.
Okay.
It usually rains here in the afternoon.
The landmark is the spider infested building. Wow. Those spiders are creepy. Look at all those spiders.